Hello adventurers, here we are in Jamaica and we are surrounded by the birds in this absolutely amazing Royal Caribbean Jamaica sandals. And the birds are all over the place. We're just about to have our breakfast and I think they're having their breakfast.
It looks like something's in front of us. That's where they're all going to.
Let's see as we go down the stairs. We'll probably get pooped on. See if we can see what they're after. Pretty spectacular here, I will say. Can't tell. Looks like they're just picking up some stuff from the sea. See down there, there's a stingray. Likes to hang out by our patio, and there's Karina on our deck. What a beautiful place we have picked. Beautiful, beautiful views. Nice to wake up to some wildlife in your cove. Everybody having a little food. Anyways, we'll be back for more. Keep exploring, keep living, keep enjoying that life. Take care, everyone. Bye.